up here in Hunter, cutting on a 130-acre field today. I'll just give you some basics on this is a 9770 today, and I'll just give you some basics. Right here is your separator. This one is your header. And then you got your throttle, fast, slow, slower, joystick, header height. Here's your reel, and these you can set your header height with this. And this field here is by far the best wheat I've cut this year. It's making about 75 to 85 bushel an acre, and it's cutting real. Stalks are real tough right now because moisture's a little bit high. I mean, the grain's great, it's ready to cut, but it's just still a little bit tough. It could probably sit for another day or two, but still, it's just great wheat. So we're here in the grain cart. We're about to unload. I'll go over the procedure, you can call it. We're in just a John Deere 8300 with the J&M like 875 bushel grain cart. You load it up all the way and pack it a little bit. It'll hold about 920-ish bushel. So pull up to the truck here, and I'll start to see grain there. Move forward. This isn't a very big trailer. It's only about, I don't know, 800, 900 bushel truck. Up here at Hunter, we've had about 2¼ to 2.5 inches of rain in the past couple of days, so we've been starting at 5, 6 in the afternoon and cutting until about 9 or 10. But this combine, we're averaging about 34, 35 acres an hour, depending on how good the wheat is and how bad the wheat is. So